What's up, YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. Today we got a call, and the complaint is the hot water tank will not stay lit. The most common cause for this problem is the thermocoupling could be bad, or it's not getting enough air circulation to keep the pilot light lit. So stay tuned and let's see what we find out. So this is the hot water tank that won't stay lit. It has a status light code on it that's not blinking. So if you can see, there's a lot of dust under it. And this particular hot water tank vents from the bottom. So it sucks air in from the bottom, and that's how it gets the air circulation. So it's a possibility that it could be clogged up. So we're gonna clean it first and see if that solves the problem. And if not, we'll change the thermocoupling. So the first thing we're gonna do is open up the chamber. And the way you do that, you have a screw here and here. That's gonna hold that on. So we're gonna turn the gas off. So I'm gonna open this up, and then we're gonna vacuum outside and around and underneath. So next, we're gonna disconnect the gas line, which is here, and your thermocoupling line here, and you disconnect here and here. And this is what your assembly looks like. So your igniter is here. So that's what happens when you click. This is your gas line, and then this is your thermocoupling, which is located inside of here. So we'll get everything cleaned up and vacuumed out. So this is what the inside chamber looks like. So the grill that you see, that's where it circulates air from. So if that gets clogged up, then no air gets in and it won't stay lit. So let's check that first and see if that solves the problem. So like I said, we'll get it vacuumed out and blow it out and put it back together and see if that solves the problem. So next, we'll blow that grate out, and what I use is just this hook to the air compressor. So now we're gonna put everything back together in reverse order. And this tab here goes into a slot that's inside. So you wanna make sure you get that slide into the tab and locked in. let's turn the gas on. Gonna turn this to pilot. And we're gonna press this in and let it hold for a while. And if you can see inside, that's the ignition. So you want to hold that until you get a signal read up here. So now we got a reading up here, which means you can release. So that'll stay on. So you can see the flame is still lit and it is blue. And then next you just turn to the temperature you want. Flame. So their complaint was it wouldn't stay lit. The pilot light was burning yellow, which means it wasn't getting enough oxygen. So we got everything cleaned out and we got a good signal there. And if you have a trouble code at the top, you can read how many blinks and it'll tell you what the problem is. So like that problem is solved. So for my settings, I usually set it to A or B, and they can set it from there. And then the last thing is you put your cover back on. And that's it. Problem solved. So in this case, the hot water tank would not stay lit because it was not getting enough air or oxygen. So we vacuumed around the vent and around the tank itself, and the problem was solved. So if you have a hot water tank that's not staying lit, then make sure you check that first. And if you have one that won't light, most likely it's the thermocoupling. So until next time, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe and hit the notification for upcoming videos. We'll talk to you later. Yeah.